Imagine a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just answer your emails or draft your essays, but actually buys and sells real goods, negotiates on your behalf, even runs entire online marketplaces with zero human intervention. Sounds like a sci-fi plot, right? Well, Anthropic just brought that future one step closer to reality. Hey everyone, if you're interested in how AI is fundamentally changing the way we do business, you're not going to want to miss this one. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive into how Anthropic's latest experiment could shake up the digital economy as we know it. So here's what went down. Anthropic, a top player in AI research and the creators of the Claude language model, recently ran an experiment that's turning heads across the tech world. They set up a classified marketplace, think Craigslist or eBay, but with a twist. Every buyer and seller was an AI agent. That's right, no humans haggling, no late-night messages from buyers named John123. Just pure automated negotiation between intelligent agents, and yes, it involved actual goods and real money on the table. Let's unpack why this is such a big deal. We're not talking about simulated transactions, play money, or just theoretical AI. Anthropic's experiment involved real-world stakes. The AI agents represented actual buyers and sellers, negotiating prices, striking deals, and completing transactions using real funds. This is a major leap because until now, most AI experiments in economics and commerce were pretty much academic, simulation-based, closed environments, and with no tangible cash or goods involved. We've moved from the sandbox to the real world. So, how did this experiment work? Anthropic created the Classifieds Marketplace experiment, involving about 14,000 AI agents trained with Claude models. These AI agents faced off as buyers and sellers in a digital marketplace for high-demand items, including everything from gaming consoles and electronics to popular gadgets. The setup was meant to mimic a real online marketplace, injecting the same kinds of supply and demand dynamics you'd see on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. The AI agents weren't just blindly buying at listed prices. They were actively negotiating, making offers, counter-offers, and deciding whether to accept, reject, or walk away from deals. Each agent had specific objectives. An agent might be trying to get the lowest price for a particular item, or aiming to maximize profit as a seller. Anthropic even equipped them with enough autonomy to learn tactics and adjust their strategies as the experiment progressed. This is strategic thinking in action. Think about it. We already have high-frequency trading bots in stock markets. But this is the equivalent for consumer marketplaces, where AI isn't just automating rote tasks, but actually reasoning, strategizing, and executing trades based on live market conditions. A crucial point. These weren't dumb bots following scripts. Anthropic's Claude-powered agents acted with a surprising level of nuance. For instance, they could recognize when a deal was unusually lopsided and walk away to avoid a ripoff. We're seeing the birth of AI common sense. Some agents even simulated basic bargaining tactics, like offering a price just under the asking price to begin negotiations. It's eerily close to the way real humans operate in online markets. We understand how crucial these subtle cues are in any negotiation. So, what did all this prove? First, it showed that AI agents can function as economic actors, navigating real marketplaces, handling real value, and adapting on the fly. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in the definition of an actor in the economy. Let's look at how this applies to our own industries. In construction, imagine an AI agent sourcing lumber or steel by negotiating with dozens of suppliers simultaneously to hit a project budget. In legal, AIs could negotiate settlement ranges based on vast case law databases. For businesses, AI agents could automate everything from purchasing supply chain components to managing customer requests. Imagine your online store negotiating bulk deals with other AIs in real time. The productivity gains are potentially enormous. We're talking about removing the friction of human response time. But let's pause and consider the flip side. The Anthropic team highlighted a series of open questions and risks. What happens when AI agents with different goals start competing at scale? Will we see new kinds of market failures or unexpected price swings? We have to be cautious. How can we ensure these AIs don't form unhealthy collusion or manipulate the market? Security and oversight become vital, since once you trust AIs with real money, the stakes suddenly get a lot higher. We've seen how algorithms can spiral out of control in other sectors. Another big question: if both buyers and sellers are AI, where does this leave actual humans? Will markets become more efficient, or will it just become impossible for people to compete? We believe this is the core challenge of the next decade, finding the balance between automation and human agency. Anthropic themselves called this a test market, not meant to go live for consumers yet, but a stepping stone to understanding how commerce could work with advanced agents in the driver's seat. It's a laboratory for the future of our digital world. Of course, we're still early in this journey. Right now, it's a closed experiment, a sandbox with clear safety rails. But with the pace that AI is moving, tools like Claude could someday enable marketplaces that run almost entirely on agent-to-agent deals. We're closer than you think. We're likely to see a wave of AI assistants that can hunt for bargains, set up side hustles, and negotiate offers on your behalf, all while you focus on what really matters to you. Imagine never having to argue with a customer service bot again because your own AI did it for you. To sum it up, Anthropic's experiment is a wake-up call for anyone paying attention to AI's impact on business, commerce, and daily life. We're only scratching the surface of what's possible. If you're an entrepreneur, investor, or even just a tech enthusiast, this is one story you want to follow closely. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn even more about how AI is revolutionizing business operations, check out the linked video in the corner. It's packed with insights and actionable tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.
We'd love to hear what you think about agent-on-agent commerce, and if you see it as a threat or an opportunity. And as always, if you want to chat more about how these kinds of AI solutions can help your business, you'll find our calendar link in the description. See you in the next video.